cart too. I forgot my table. Yes, this table does fit in there too. So I got this from Walmart, and it's small, but you know what? I'm living in a small space. I will be. So it works perfect. Can't forget the table. Can't believe I did forget the table. But I'm trying to rush. And you're like, yeah, we know how to fold a table, but did you know I don't fold it all the way? Because, get this core out of the way, it goes under my bed. I should have done this before I got everything else in there. There you go. I even have a table in there now. Peace out.